Today we're making easy, simple, yet delicious chocolate mug cake that takes less than 5 minutes to make. To make this, you need 3 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, and chocolate chips. Okay, so we're just basically gonna put everything in the mug, starting off with the flour and sugar and a pinch of salt. Add the cocoa powder and stir it to combine. Now add the oil, milk, and 1 egg. Oops, accident happens. And stir everything till combined. Don't forget to stir from the bottom so there's no flour stuck on the bottom, so everything is distributed evenly. Lastly, add the white chocolate chips. Stir to combine and we're ready to bake the mug cake. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And here is our completed mug cake. Add 1 scoop of ice cream of your choice on top. Today I'm using vanilla bean. Then I sprinkle on some cocoa powder on top of the ice cream. The cake is not too sweet, therefore the ice cream complements it very well. This is a must try for a 2 minutes microwave mug cake.